This is the Iowa weather report for Thursday, January 7th, 2016, and now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At noon today, we have two pieces of a system coming in. The first one, moving through the central and southern plain states, will be moving north and eastward. This is going to be producing a little bit of a wintry mix early in the morning hours, switching to mainly rain, except in our northern counties where there still could be a rain-snow mix, maybe a little bit of sleet as well. Highs in the 30s north to some places in the southern and far southeastern counties in the lower 40s. Won't that feel a lot nicer, except it's kind of dreary and rainy. And then late tonight and into Friday, we'll see a little bit of a mix. Then Friday, there'll be some rain in our southeastern counties. Snow or a bit of a snow-rain mix in our northern and western counties, switching to all snow as we move through the day. And then this system, a second piece comes in. You can see that low pressure over the middle Mississippi River Valley. This could bring us a bit of snow on Saturday, but the main story will be the cold winds out of the north. Gusty winds, any snow will likely be blowing around, could create a close to whiteout conditions Saturday afternoon and evening. The system pulls off, but the temperatures just plunge from the 30s and 40s down into the single digits and lower teens. Sunday morning looks to be quite chilly, but Monday morning will be very chilly. Lows will be well below zero, at least in the single digits below zero. A couple degrees above, maybe in our far southern counties, with skies on Sunday being mostly sunny, but unfortunately another system's going to be dropping in. It'll be sunny Sunday and Monday, but Tuesday a system drops in late Monday night into Tuesday. That's the system moving through the Great Lakes here on Tuesday. That's going to reinforce the cold air, so as we move into Wednesday morning, it could be quite chilly once again, maybe down or a couple degrees either side of zero. Highs will be struggling into the teens most of these days. You see another disturbance swinging out of Canada into the Dakotas here as we move into Wednesday, and then that system will zip through here late Wednesday night into early next Thursday, and you can see the polar vortex over the eastern parts of Canada. Flow still coming out of the northwest. Another disturbance crashing into Southern California and the northern part of Baja could produce some rain, maybe some very high elevation snow down in the Southern California mountains, especially the tops of the San Gabriels. But around here, we're not worried about that. We're worried about more Clipper type systems coming in, and it looks like another one is approaching from the north and west. So we move further into the extended period around the 17th of January. You see one disturbance along the east coast, one disturbance over the middle part of the country, mainly in the plains, another system way out off the west coast, and we have the system along the east coast, the system that's over the Rockies moving into the plain states, which could warm our temperatures a bit back to about seasonal, and you have a big swath of moisture off the west coast at that point. Then as we look at the end of the forecast, unfortunately, you can see a ridge trying to poke itself into western Canada and a big cold pool of air swinging down once again. That's with the system that's going to be trying to ride up the east coast, or at least up the Appalachians at this point. This could produce some light snow or flurry activity around here, but what is it going to really produce is another batch of cold air that's going to drop into our area once again. So January, it doesn't look warm at this point. Satellite image from last evening, we had one storm moving away from the east coast. We have our first part of the system along the central and southern plain states. The second piece moving into California, which produced a bit of severe weather in southern California yesterday. It's going to produce a bit of wintry precipitation as well, as you see by the watch warning map. A lot of wintry weather, flash flood watches across southern California with the winter weather across the southern and central Rockies, and even up in the Dakotas and Minnesota with our first piece that's coming through today. The QPF chart through Monday evening at 6 o'clock shows precipitation amounts around here around a half an inch or so, give or take a couple of tenths. That's in liquid form. Some of it will be in the form of rain and some in snow.